umele inkqubo ndabokutya from Eyoluntu Project Market Agents, isemthatha ekhaya Fresh Produce Market, Tambo District Municipality. Silapha ekhaya Fresh Produce Market, we are trading as the agency registered. Our main activity, we source the produce from the farmers. Siyithathe siyithengise kwi-retail. Our target market is retail, informal traders, and for informal sector. Ever since we have started as Eyoluntu Project Market Agents, we have noticed some challenges on the side of farmers. The farmers there too, gaps like access to finance, technical know-how, more importantly, the business side of things on the side of the farmers. We need to make some intervention by developing some programs. One of those programs is for our farmers to respond to the challenge of the farmers. Supplier development program where we had a group of farmers, like 40 farmers. These farmers would be prepared and supported so that they can supply Eyoluntu Project Market Agents consistently with very good quality produce. Also, no finances to invest so that this group of farmers graduate to another level. Coming to this program event also, after those programs also, the only way for us to respond to the challenges, so I initiated an information day called Eyoluntu Project Annual Information Day. It's an annual event. I was invited speakers like SRDA, to assist farmers and talk better programs with SRDA and other financial institutions and government entities. We see today is one of those programs. Today we have that information day. Apple is stakeholders that's going to find out about agriculture, SRDA, SETFA, and others. It's a core program. That's why you see this big number of farmers coming here with various activities. One of those activities is distribution of inputs by the executive mayor of Tambo. We have a very beautiful program. Information farmers are so excited. We hope the impact of this program will change the way farmers are doing things. Now that expert is TT. Ukwenza show into abamafama wethu akazi aproduce into enye ugcwala ispinach idolophu yonke ngawo kanye icabbage ixesha elinye senzele into scheduling of production sizoyenza through iprogram ekuthiwa i-supplier development program apho amafama sizowathatha siwabeka apha sibe neplan sonke siplaneni for isizini uba ubani ulime ntoni sazi noba ubani uzofuna ntoni kuba ezinye zamaxesha abalulekile kakhulu enyangeni xa ungumfama nekulazi ixesha afana ematheni ngokwethu uba apha siphila ngegrants imathend yenye ixesha enebusiness kakhulu so sigayide ezo nto ke bangafuni ixesha naphakathi enyangeni kukho ezinye abasebenzi abarholayo nezonke zoba understand i-timing when it comes to harvesting the product is very important. Also wazi into yoba uyisaphi into yakho xa ilimini kodwa thina silapha kule ndawo is-Eyoluntu Project Market Agents, we can guarantee i-market access opportunity for our farmers ngoba siyabagayida sibaba ngenza ingalo sibe patient as babetshilo executive mayor sincedisa la mafama senze sure into yoba ayaphumelela iproduce ayo iye endaweni efanelekileyo.